Hey everyone, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at boring old utilities. While they may be boring, they are holding up better than the overall market. We see the utility index here above all its key moving averages, and the moving averages are clumping together and getting tighter. And if I zoom out here, I can actually see a nice tightening pattern with clearly defined resistance right around there and clearly defined support right around here. So we have a tightening pattern on utilities, and utilities are holding up better than the overall market. That is a clear sign of relative strength. And so what I want to see here on the utilities index is I'd love to see this break above 79.50 and do it on volume. Now, if that does happen, I definitely think this could be an actionable trade with either a wide stop loss right here just under the 200-day moving average or a momentum stop loss right around that 50-day moving average, depending on your risk tolerance. But definitely keep an eye on the utilities index and watch for a move over 79.50. If that happens, I think you might have a nice trade on your hands. So that's just one of many things we're looking at tonight at StockMarketMentor.com. If you found this video helpful, definitely check us out. Take a trial, and hopefully I'll see you on the other side.